Welcome to this Alpenberg installation instruction video. We are going to show you how to lay Alpenberg leather tiles on a wall. Here are the tools you will need for this job. Here is how we recommend you apply primer, rolling in all directions. Remember, no primer equals no adhesion. Too much primer equals no adhesion. This is a real case of less is more. The primer needs 4 to 8 hours to dry before starting to apply the tiles. Now Renee is measuring and marking the area to apply the first round of glue. This should be a maximum area of 1 to 1.5 meters at a time. That is 10 to 15 square feet. The glue should look white, no see-through. The first tile has to be wrapped around a 90-degree corner. Renee takes out a 5mm U-shaped groove from the back. This is about 1/4 inch. With this special scribing knife. Leather is a natural material, and it is a good idea to feel the tiles and select the softer ones for wrapping around corners. Check if glue is still wet. If not, refresh. Very important, you must always work wet. Hand pressure and heat from your hands helps with positioning each tile. Use a damp cloth only to clean any glue from the surface. Do not use a finger to wipe away glue because 2 weeks later it will look like a black streak. Use a small hand roller to even out the tiles and get rid of any air bubbles. When cutting to size, in principle, you should scribe first with a straight edge and then cut with the hooked blade. Finish off with the two-handed roller for a smooth, even quality finish. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you find it useful with the installation of your Alpenberg leather tiles.